Harley.
Harley.
She kind of always
She is my favorite villain. Help.
And what terrible crime is that?
This
She's so intimately familiar with
like
the
it's
character.
very fun.
She's devoting
The
energy and
behind.
time to figuring her out. And now getting to play her again is really exciting for her too, because she gets to dive further into character. She came really, really cool.
She was really good.
She was like ready.
She is like so funny on this movie.
I met with Margot in the summer of 2015. It was a morning
It was
meeting
so
on like a
fun
Wednesday.
doing this movie. Like this movie was so funny. And I mean, I love Harley Clinton. I was like, yeah, I can do this. I can do this movie since I love Harley Clinton. I can do it. Like I love this girl. Like she is not really like Catwoman. She is like the funny villain.
That we loved and what we both wanted to do. She told me that she had this idea, this dream of doing a Harley Quinn girl gang R-rated movie. And I was like, I'm in, 100%, 1000%, I'm in. This is fun.
It is fun. This is like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Get pizza. Okay. Like she is like, then I had to put tattoos on my leg. Then all the fighting is real.
When I got the script, I was like,
And when I was beating him up,
Christina's brain is like really interesting. Some of the stuff I'm like, how'd you come up with this? Like, what's going on in your little head?
she really could write like Harley.
like she was really like the fun.
The tone
Like
and spirit of the
Harley Quinn say
character.
funny things.
The word for cheese is she's so tapped into how these characters should sound. It was just about having fun, really. And we kind of wanted to just explode that and see what would happen if you didn't follow any of the rules, you didn't do anything that was expected.
Yes, I take my art incredibly seriously, and this is a serious place.
It was the desire for us to entertain the idea of a younger filmmaker with somebody who could bring a very unique point of view to this world.
We met first, and I didn't think I could do this movie. I mean, I had just finished my first feature. I was just starting to get into the system and figure out what I wanted to do next, and then I read the script, and it was like, love it, first read.
It felt really right when Kathy came in. She understood the story, the characters she had.
It was like very
She can
awesome.
seamlessly work within a very artistic realm, and she can follow her heart, and she can hold her own, and yet she also is able to be very focused and organized and structured about executing on that vision.
Hold up. I'm telling
Wait a
this
minute.
all wrong.
I'm
Let's
telling
rewind.
Let's be honest.
I love the tone of that movie. The challenge as a director to get right, because you can veer into just pure comedy, but I want the movie to have heart and soul and a real arc for all of these women. It's a story about a group of women coming together through all the zany craziness to help one another. I think so often women in movies are perceived as being competitive relationships rather than friendships and collaborations. And we kind of wanted to see what it would be like to have a movie about our friends. Those, late nights at 4 in the morning after a night out eating tacos.
You want drink?
You drink, right?
There's more women in front and behind
Like
the
it's
camera.
very
For
awesome
sure,
on
any
this
movie I've
movie.
worked on.
Like
Telling
I mean,
the
it
story
was
about
very
girl gang,
cool.
It's always helpful to have a female perspective.
It's a lot of really talented, smart, completely unique individual women.
Hey, I can do that one.
A combination of all these women, but also seeing all the men that really supported this film.
We really wanted Maddie to shoot it because he's incredible, but I think Maddie is
Hey,
the
like,
fact that he adapts his stuff.
I think
and
Harley is one of my
He and I
favorites.
really got along. I think we have very similar aesthetic taste.
He was just brilliant at providing this color
Like
and energy
Harley
and
Quinn
visual
is
experience.
like the boss. She's
I
act
think
very
together
bossy.
we were able to take some pretty big risks in the way we shot the movie.
Ready, girl? Ah! 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 Ah!
Think you're a good driver? Now's your chance to prove it with Karma Drive, and you can save on your insurance rate. Try Karma Drive for free and see. Get the free app.
It's hot. That was Ghost Pepper Nugget hot. Feel the flame at BK.
Action is super fun. It's grounded. All the women have different styles, and I wanted to keep it there. I love working with Jonathan Eusebio, our stunt coordinator. He's amazing. And he's got a 8711.
Jojo's a super pro, and he's so able to do so many different styles of fighting, and he's really been able to kind of build it out and take it way beyond anything I could have imagined or put on a page, and give them each flair and character and personality that comes across.
She just wanted to encapsulate like the fun, joy, try to find fun in the action we're doing. So pieces of hardcore action with some levity.
Renee is much more like tough and from the streets. She's a boxer. Canary is mostly leg work, so she's doing a lot of like roundhouse kicks and Muay Thai.
We want to make her but keep her kind of grounded. So maybe they use their arms mostly for defense and their offense is all kicks.
Huntress is just like a precise precision like killing machine.
We taught a little bit of judo, a little bit of jiu-jitsu, a little bit of karate.
What?
You're so cool.
Harley is very whimsical. She uses her gymnastics.
Harley's kind of everywhere, so her style is kind of based off just really unpredictable.
It's fun to see these 4 different fighting styles come together.
I've had to do a lot of fighting and stunt work, and just really beyond anything I've done before in any other film. So that's been really fun and really like empowering to feel like I can accomplish some of those things.
My body has definitely transformed and taken a little bit of a beating.
Those stuntmen, they were fantastic and they were so supportive. I remember JoJo and JB go, hit him. And I go, what? No, hit him. I said, and he goes, no, hit him. And I was like, great, that's how you're going to do it.
Oh! Ouch! That didn't really hurt. That's actually fun, girl.
Kathy is so amazing, and same for Margot. She's been so involved. For an actor to have such a creative presence in the filmmaking process has been really inspiring for me to watch.
This whole thing really was born out of her design.
Girl, you gonna bring it?
Hey, girl, give me a drink.
She has been, since day one, and been beating hard at this project that brought us all together.
This movie owes so much to Margot. This has been a very personal journey for her, I think. It's been many, many years in the making, so I feel very honored to be a part of that.
I feel like there was just so much.
I feel like Harley Quinn is like
Just
so
so
the bottom. Like she could fight good. She hit bottom real good. That felt pretty good. Hey everybody, I'm finna end this now, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little like this, and so you can find lots of like this. So bye!